Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. I have got a big ass, well I say big ass, it's just one big bag of Ikea things. Let's start again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. If you're new here, my name is Kate. I'm very happy to meet you, and today I've got an Ikea haul. It's not that big, I've just got one of their big blue bags full of bits. Mainly we went up just to get some finishing touches for the bathroom. Ended up picking up a few more things while I was there, as you do. And yeah, I thought I would film it. I haven't done an Ikea haul for years. So yeah, I thought it'd be cool. Show you a few new bits they've got in for autumn. And let's get straight on into it. So here is the bag. Let's start with a frying pan. I've never tried one of Ikea's frying pans. We've got two. We've got a wall one and some random one, but they've both like the anti-stick's gone in them, or whatever it's called. Is it Teflon? But yeah, we just picked up one of their sort of like medium-sized frying pans. Our cooker in the new house is horrible. It's like an electric hob in the worktop, and it's really old. It's really bad, so it's killing our plans. So it's just cheap and cheerful. I think this was about £10 to £12. We'll see how it works. It's pretty deep. I'm an omelette lover, so this will come in handy. Right, next up, I've been eyeing these up for ages on Pinterest and other YouTubers' videos, and it's a bath tray. I haven't actually, let me just open it. I haven't offered it up to the bath to see whether it fits, but I think it'll fit. I think it's like pretty universal. It fits most baths. This was really cheap. It was £9. So if you're after one of these, then highly recommend Ikea. It's not the exact colour I wanted. I wanted a bit more of like a rusticy oak colour, but I think for now, until I can find one that's perfect, it'll do for £9. I'm just going to put like a reed diffuser, some flannels, make it look pretty. And yeah, Paul will hate this because he'll have to move it every time he gets into the bath. When I went to buy it, he was like, really? So I know that it's going to piss him off, but it'll look nice. That's all that matters. The next thing I got is a bog brush. Really boring purchase. I don't know how much this was. There's a spider on here. Get off. It's just one of the stainless steel ones. It's a little bit too bright as in colour for what I wanted. We've got like, I don't know, I suppose the taps are stainless. It might go. Our old one's got like a matte finish, which I really like, but it's so old it really needs replacing. They didn't have any nice ones. They got the ones with no top on, but I don't like those because you can like, I don't know, I feel like the germs are getting out of those. Whereas this one's got a lid and it comes with a brush in it, so I think it was £2 to £3. Next up, a cheese grater. If you haven't got one of these, you need to get one. It's got two sides, so it's got like a fine grater and a normal one, and then it comes in this tub. Let me open it. This has been in the bag for a while now, all this stuff, and I've been waiting to film this video till I use it all, because if I put it away I will just forget what I've bought, so I'm so excited. My mum and dad have had one of these for years, and I always mean to pick one up, but each time I go into Ikea they haven't got any. So this is the normal side, this is the finer side, and then it's actually got a lid, so you can take the lid off, grate your cheese in, and then if you grate too much, which I always do, you can put the lid back on and then store it in the fridge. So such a handy little contraption. Love that. If you're a cheese lover, you need this in your life. The next few things I picked up are probably the most exciting bits I did buy, and it's Ikea's Amber bathroom set. So I got the soap dish. Don't actually use soap, but I thought it'd look cute on the bath tray. I think that was around £2 to £3, and it's all glass. It's so nice. The toothbrush holder. I love amber glass. I think it will go really well with our greens and neutral colours and whites in the bathroom. Again, £2 to £3, wasn't very expensive. I picked up the soap dispenser because I find plastic soap really ugly. So I thought if I decanted it all into this, I didn't even check if that worked, it'd look really nice and match all the other bits. I think that was a little bit more expensive, maybe £4 to £5. And then to go with that, I couldn't resist these. I hope they're not broke because I haven't opened them and tried them. So basically I got 2 amber storage jars. So you get 2 in a pack, and I think, off the top of my head, this was £9 for the 2, which is such a good bargain. So you get the little one, which looks like this. So nice, I love it. I'm just thinking cotton wool pads, bath salts, things like that. So that's the small one. This is the big one. Oh, I love it so much. I've got those little, you know, like plastic pearl things you put in the bath. I think they'd look cute in one of these. Like I said, they're just so nice on the windowsill or on the bath tray. Let me put one on and show you. I'm thinking, oh, big one doesn't fit. A candle, these, I don't use soap, but something can sit in the soap tray. I just think that look really nice. Some flowers, like not practical at all, this bath tray, but I just think they look really nice. So those are the ambery bits. I love them. I just think they look really nice all together. Obviously the soap dispenser and the toothbrush holder won't be on the bath tray, but I'm so glad I picked up the whole set. A very boring item, a toilet roll holder. It's just in like a stainless, brushed stainless steel. We had a chunkier one, like exactly the same, but it was quite big and bulky. And this has got a nicer fitting and it's a bit thinner, so just go with all the stainless in the bathroom. Then I picked up some tea lights, because did you even go to Ikea if you didn't get tea lights? These are a pack of 100 and they were £3, I think. I use these in my oil burners. I've got a couple of tea light holders that you've got shades for, and it like kind of projects the pattern. So I needed to stock up basically. And they were only £3 for 100. Then I'm really excited for this. I'm not going to bother taking it out of this packet, but I will show you when it's up. It's basically a clothes rail that fits onto the wall like this. Am I able to show you? Like this, and then you can obviously hang your clothes across. I needed something for the office for when I get sent like clothing items. I need to, at the moment I'm just chucking them in the corner. I'm forgetting about them, so it's really bad. I need to, because the office isn't done, and I need to know what I've got to feature like on my Instagram, on my blog or YouTube. This isn't a big enough space to have a clothes rail in there, so this is such a good option if you've got a small like space but you want to hang clothes up. They do loads of these, so £5 as well, absolute steal. So I'm going to get Paul to put this up tonight, much to his disgust, but I will then have somewhere to house the bits I get that I need to feature. What I like to do on my Instagram is pull bits out of my wardrobe I haven't worn for a while and create an outfit around those items and then hang them up. So I've got like outfits for the week that I want to wear or I want to feature and stuff like that. So again, if you're not a blogger or anything, they're still really handy if you just want to put your coats on or a few new bits that you've bought. £5, absolute steal. I picked up some of their vanilla candles because can you really ever have enough of these? Oh, they're the best vanilla candles ever in my opinion, the Ikea ones. I was going to get the bigger ones, but I just got the little ones in the end. I got one for my mum and then one for me. And then finally for the bathroom, I got another gold plant pot. I might put my maidenhair fern in this, or I've got a new plant which is the hearts on strings. We're getting like a reclaimed scaffolding plant for the wall, so I might put this on there with like that trailing plant on. But really I don't even know how much that was. Have I got the receipt? Hang on. £9? If I'd have known that was £9, I would not have bought that. £9 fucking pounds. There's nothing else that says vase on it. Jesus Christ, they saw me coming. Anyway, it's really nice, I really like it, but £9? Yeah, I probably wouldn't have bought that if I had seen how much it was. I just wanted some brass bits basically, like this brushed gold for the bathroom, so I think it goes really nice with the amber pieces I bought as well. I think that is it. Yeah, I bought a couple of other pieces for the shop. Paul bought a cactus and another vase, a clock, but he's taken those all to work. So yeah, that is it guys. I hope you enjoyed my little Ikea haul. I'm not going to show you it all in situ now because I'm going to do a final bathroom reveal. So when it's all done and finished, I will show you all these bits in their place. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you are not already. I would love to see some new faces. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a video with me. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.